Energy has been back, all set now, ready to race number 2. Good luck on your winner take all, first winner take all. The favorite shine again. And the race is on. Pure Energy from the outside, moving up. Ninang Mill, Purely Kali, shine again. Sir Jerry is running by the row. Ninang Mill, the leader, followed by Shine Again in second. Pure Energy, number 1, Sir Jerry. Purely Kali is racing in fifth, running 6 by about 6 lengths. Rancy stays and a long way back to Flight Attendant. Passing the last 850, Ninang Mill, followed by entry number 1, Sir Jerry. Pure Energy on the outside of favorite Shine Again, racing in fourth, and Purely Kali is running in fifth. And rounding the fourth turn is now Sir Jerry, Ninang Mill, and Pure Energy, Shine Again, Purely Kali. And Rancy stays racing in 6 by about 5 lengths as they race the last 500. 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. Ninang Mill once again by the rail, Sir Jerry, and Shine Again in between runners alongside is Purely Kali. Herds of horses fighting it out for the lead. Ninang Mill, Shine Again, Purely Kali on the further outside. Shine Again, Purely Kali to grab the lead. It's now Purely Kali, Shine Again down on the inside. Last 100. The horse of Mr. Puyat, number 6. Purely Kali winning this race. Second, Shine Again, Flight Attendant, number 1, Sir Jerry, Ninang Mill, Rancy stays, and Pure Energy.